this is Netra Adlikatti. Welcome to my channel Path to Trade. This channel is all about stock market, especially for the beginners. So let's begin with the basics of stock market. What is stock market? It is a place where people buy and sell the shares of the company. If you buy a share of a company, then you own a small portion of ownership in that company. It is a place like any other market. Instead of vegetables or fruits, here you buy and sell shares of the company. For example, you can treat it's like a shopping mall, online shopping portal, Flipkart. For example, Flipkart, here you buy the products. Okay, in the same way, in the stock market, you buy and sell the shares of the company. As the product price increases and decreases based on the demand, similarly, in the stock market, price of the stock increases or decreases based on the performance of the company. If the company performs very well, then the stock price increases. If the company performs poor, then the stock price comes down. It's as simple as that. Thank you.